Hello friends, welcome to Guru Gyan YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the memorandum and articles of association of a company under Companies Act 2013. First of all, I will tell you the meaning of a memorandum and articles of association of a company. Memorandum defines and contains the objectives of the company beyond which no directors of the company do any kind of a act. If he will do so, it will be called as the Ultra Virus Act. So memorandum contains the main objectives of the company, and articles of association means in which the rules and regulations of the internal management of the company contains. So article of association contains the internal management rules and regulations, and memorandum contains the main objectives of the company. Now we will proceed for the main difference between the memorandum and articles of association of a company. The first main basis of a difference is objectives. First of all, MOA comes under section 4 of the Companies Act 2013, and article of association comes under section 2 subsection 5 of the Companies Act 2013. Now objectives under MOA, MOA defines and delimits the objectives of the company, and articles of association lays down the rules and regulations for the internal management of the company. The second main basis of a difference is subordinate. MOA is subordinate to the Companies Act, but memorandum lays down the parameters for the articles. And AOA are subordinate to both the memorandum and the Companies Act. So in case of MOA, MOA follow all the provisions under the Companies Act 2013 and establish a main basis for the articles of a association of a company. But in case of association of a company, association follow all the provisions of the Companies Act as well as all the provisions of the memorandum. The next main difference is alteration. MOA can be altered only under circumstances and in manner provided in the Act. In most cases, permission of the regional directors and tribunal is required. So it is very tough for the directors of the company to alter the MOA. But in case of a AOA, the articles of association can be altered simply by passing a special resolution. So in case of a AOA, if we will pass a resolution in the meeting, then articles of a association of a company can be altered. Now guys, I want to tell you something about ordinary resolution and a special resolution. देखिए, if you want to pass ordinary resolution, then more than 1.5 votes is required in favor of a resolution. Means ordinary resolution passed with a simple majority. But if you want to pass a special resolution, then it can be passed only with the 3/4 of the majority. Means votes cast in favor of a resolution should be 3 times more the votes cast against it. So special resolution requires 3/4 majority. Now the main next difference is relationship. Memorandum defines the relationship of a company with the outside world. Because memorandum contains all the main objectives of the company beyond which company cannot go, so it defines the relationship of a company with the outside world. Mean if anybody want to know about the company, then he or she should check the MOA of the company. Now articles defines the relationship between the company and its members. Because in AOA, internal rule and regulation of the members and the management of the company is written, So it defines the relationship between the company and its members. Now the next main difference is ultra virus. Acts beyond the company, beyond the scope of the memorandum or ultra virus acts and void. These cannot be ratified even by the unanimous consent of all the shareholders. So if any company will do some kind of act which is beyond the objectives written in the MOA, will be called as the ultra virus act. So even it cannot be ratified by the consent of all the shareholders. But in case of AOA, the acts done beyond articles rules can be ratified by a special resolution of the shareholders provided they are not beyond the provisions of the MOA. So ultra virus act in case of AOA can be ratified, but it should not be beyond the objectives written in the MOA. Now the next difference is compulsion. MOA have to be compulsory filed by every company. But in case of AOA, public company limited by shares need not file the AOA. Instead adopt table F. So AO जो है public company limited by shares need not file with the registrar. Instead of that, they file table F. So guys, hope you understood the main difference between memorandum and article of association. And thanks for watching this video. Please motivate by like, comment and share. Please also subscribe the Guru Gyan YouTube channel. And welcome for the questions and suggestion. Thank you guys.